another installment from Cooking from the Camp. People seem to wonder what we eat when we're on the road, because we're vegetarian, we tend to eat pretty healthfully, but sometimes people say, that looks pretty glamorous for a campground. So, tonight we're going to have an endive and spinach salad with blue cheese dressing and tomato and red onion, but first, here are the ingredients. You start with cooking wine. You always start with cooking wine, or a cooking beer, or a cooking martini, depends how complicated the meal is. I've got some blue cheese in a small container that I brought from home that was just, I wanted to get out of the fridge. Some leftover spinach from another meal. A couple of endive, I don't know, bunches? I might only need one because that goes a long way. Red onion and tomato. That's it. Let's slice and dice and put it all together. After you get your veggies washed, it's time to slice. I like to do the endive in a lengthwise and then in little half circles. Chop up that spinach. You get those dark greens in your diet. Same thing for onions. A nice rough chop there. Crunchy, crunchy. Fresh tomatoes goes great with blue cheese dressing. Now you drizzle on the blue cheese. Some fresh blue cheese if you have it. Easy. Here you go. Ready to eat. A little cracked pepper, a little Himalayan pink salt. You know, it's all about the ingredients you bring with you, right? So I have blue cheese dressing. I don't have any blue cheese. I'll see how hungry Paul is. We might make some toast. We might have some bread on the side, maybe some crackers, maybe a little cheese, but I don't want to mix with the blue cheese. But here you go. Here's what we got. Spinach salad, endive, red onion, tomato, and a nice blue cheese dressing. Yummy, yummy.